All right, cranking away here on Jennifer's Silverado. I have the compressor out, so we're replacing it because leaking out of the front seal, like every single one of them does. So we're getting that taken care of. Morning, sir. Getting that taken care of. I'm also taking care of the coolant leak back there. There's the brand new fitting. We're putting that in. And then this can go home. All right. Brand new compressor. Not a reman. Brand new. Very nice. Look at that. Looking good. Get that in and done and on. Get that in there. Finish our heater hose issue. And Mama.
Oh, please, don't.
Well, it's for Jennifer's truck. You know Jennifer.
Yes, I know Jennifer.
Say hi to Jennifer.
And I know Anthony. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Anthony.
See, Mama says hi. See, she comes here and just...
My favorite place.
We know. Mama likes coming here and hanging out.
Yep.
All right, so the compressor's going to go in. Easy peasy. And like I said, I got to do the heater hose too. Victor's over there giving blowjobs.
Don't say things like that about Victor.
I love Victor. We always joke about shit all the time. Anyway, compressor's going in.
Actually met him, and I think he's a real sweetheart.
Yes,
now.
Mama likes Victor. Victor's good.
I love this place. I grew up in a shop, and this is a carbon copy of my dad right here, Bobby.
Oh, jeez. Anyway, don't make me cry. I'm busy. All right, I'm going to get this in. So here we go. Compressor's in, belts on, everything's tensioned, tight, connected, clipped. So I'm going to put hoses and vacuum pump on that while I finish that heater hose issue. And then we'll be charging and rolling home. All right. Evac in the system. Onto that heater hose.
While fixing the heater coil hose, got the new clip that's gonna go in here. I'll pop that off. This doesn't go in. I just gotta get the other one out, which I'll show in a little bit. So it's right down there. Got my socket, my extension, and I'm gonna pause you guys for a moment, and I'll pop that out, show it to you, and then put that one in and go from there. All right, guys, hold on.
Yeah, right there. Nice and rusty crusty. I was ordering parts, so Mr. Burns jumped in here to get this business under control.
Yeah.
Once that's in, you can fill a cooling system and charge.
Holy crap.
Yeah, that thing's in there. I mean, it's original. I'm sure it never came out.
Yeah. And this is not helping in this.
The position?
Yep. That's my flip spots with you.
What position is it? Doggy style?
No, I like doggy style.
Things get done too quickly in that position.
Something's mad at me, but sometimes, you know, it's just those nights.
You just want to be like... Anyway, okay, sorry we're being inappropriate on video, but we don't.
That's just us.
That's normal.
Okay.
All right, now you think you can get that as a handy?
Uh-huh.
What? Am I in your way again?
Yep.
What else is new?
And fuck this California weather.
It's too hot right now. I don't want to do this. It's February and we're like...
Should be fucking wearing jackets right now.
I'm ready to go to bed.
Light sweatshirts, at least.
I'm ready to go home to bed.
Oh, what else is new?
I slept like shit last night. Alright. Wow, that's been...
Looking for a moment, huh? Now what'd you do with the other one?
It's right here in my hand.
Give it to me, baby.
Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh.